Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can move clips together in Adobe Premiere 2019, and there are actually 3 ways how we can do that. The first option is just press the track select forward tool or press A, and you will find here these 2 arrows, and when you're gonna click it, it will move everything together, or you can just click these 2. The second option is to just click back again to selection tool and grab both of these, all of these, and you can move them. Or the last option is to press shift, press the second one and the last one, while holding still shift, and voila, here you go. Here you go, my friend. So this is how you can move clips together in Adobe Premiere 2019. And if you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I will really thank for that. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.